Hey everybody, it's Greg Rand, and I'm excited to tell you about the Coast to Coast Open House Weekend. Starting April 20th, 2024, we're going to be collaborating with our partners at GRA to do a national event, open houses all across America. And I'm super excited about it because I see this as one big national event that happens to be decentralized. But imagine if we had 1,000 of these things happening at one time. That's 1,000 Coldwell Banker real estate agents, 1,000 GRA loan officers, tens of thousands or more consumers in attendance. This could be bigger, more attended than the Super Bowl. Like, I figure that we probably invented open houses, right? In like 1942 or something, we invented open houses. And so let's do it all the way. Let's do the balloons on the front mailbox. Let's do signs on the corner, cookies in the oven, knock on the neighbors' doors to tell them there's going to be some traffic on the block, but come on down and check it out, right? Send out the mailers, social media posts, and do it with your favorite GRA loan officer because we want to be in the trenches together. So please join us, take part in this. You'll have an activated weekend with all your friends around the country, and we'll do something that I think is special and noteworthy and is going to generate a lot of business. Thank you.